Ever wonder how your business listings compare to the competition? This free report from LocalZen shows exactly that, using specific data from Google Maps and customer reviews, information we pull from private paid sources. And for you, it's completely free. So hello, I'm Artur Kosler, Customer Success Manager, and in just a few minutes, I'll show you how a few simple clicks lead to a free version of the report that managers and C-level executives at companies like Decathlon, McDonald's, New Balance, or TUI Group analyze every day in their LocalZen panels. So let's start by selecting how many Google Maps locations you have, your total number of listings. In the free version, you can compare all the listings within a single city. With the full version of LocalZen, you can compare listings across the entire country. So just pick one sample listing and the report will automatically add all other listings in that city for the comparison. Here you can choose up to 3 competitors you want to compare yourself against in that city. Again, just pick one sample listing for them and we'll add the rest automatically. In the full version of LocalZen, you can select up to 10 companies for comparison. Now choose your industry, and the system will suggest areas where you can compare yourself with the competition. These are categories most frequently chosen by our clients in their LocalZen accounts, but you can also add your own. It is important to use keywords that our algorithms can easily link to the language used in reviews for both your company and your competitors. For example, if you want to see which products are rated better, it is more effective to type meat and bread rather than bakery products or butchery items. Finally, enter your business email where the report link will be sent. It takes just a few minutes to generate. The more listings there are, the longer it takes. You won't need to log in or download anything. Once you get the email, just click the link to go straight to your report. It stays interactive for 1 week. Feel free to take screenshots and share them with love if you tag LocalZen. At the start of the report, you will see a comparison of summary statistics based on the last 30 reviews or ratings for each listing. For some of our clients, 30 ratings represent the last quarter. For others, it's just the last 5 minutes. You can see monthly or yearly data in the LocalZen panel after creating an account. You can start with a free account with no credit card required by using the yellow bar at the top. I'll come back to that at the end of the video. This first view is key because an average rating alone doesn't tell the whole story. Only when you combine it with a number of reviews and response activity, you can see who is actually managing the reputation and who is just letting it happen. It is useful to compare average ratings over time, week to week or month to month, to spot sudden drops. For instance, a 4.0 average this week might look okay, but if it was 4.8 a week ago, it means that the situation needs a quick response to find out why scores are dropping and in which locations. You can access those detailed insights directly in the LocalZen panel after registering. The percentage of review responses is vital because it is evaluated by Google's trust and safety algorithm. To rank higher on maps, build a better reputation, and have fewer reviews automatically moved by Google, it pays to respond to both positive and negative feedback. Next, the report moves from the big picture to the details. The radar chart shows which areas your customers praise more than your competitors' customers and which area need work. Our algorithm links words semantically. For example, if someone writes, "Everything in the store is neatly arranged," it is matched to product display and tidiness. If someone writes, "The sausage is excellent," it matches meat and products. In this free version, you can compare up to 5 areas. In the LocalZen panel, there are no limits. You can also easily toggle between different companies, to see the specific categories for each one to compare. The companies are ranked in their NSS Net Sentiment Score. NSS is a metric showing the balance of positive and negative mentions in the text reviews, reflecting the overall emotional tone on a scale from -100 to +100. It is close relative of the well-known NPS. These results are shown for one selected area at the time, which can be changed if needed. Sometimes a company might show no data for a certain area. This just means that in the last 30 text reviews, there weren't keywords that could be linked to that category. By hovering over an area, you can see how many reviews it included and the breakdown of positive, negative, and neutral feedback. So overall, the whole report highlights which strengths to emphasize in your marketing as competitive advantages, what needs fixing at the local level, and where the competition is winning, not through ads, but through customer experience. The free version gives you a very powerful snapshot of the situation, but is just a small fraction of what LocalZen can do. The full platform provides more data, more locations, more metrics, and much deeper analysis. If you want to see the full picture, create a free account or book a free audit with the LocalZen team. We'll show you exactly where your network is winning and where you might be losing traffic and customer trust. That's it. Thank you for your time. I wish you the best of luck with LocalZen and see you next time. Cheers.